Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete recurring event on the Google Calendar mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Google Calendar app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Scroll through your calendar and find the event that repeats regularly. Tap on the event to open its details. Look for the three dot icon in the top right corner for the edit button and tap it. Scroll down and tap delete at the bottom of the menu. A pop-up will appear asking this event, only the one you tapped, this and following event or all event. Tap all event if you want to delete the entire recurring series. Tap delete again to confirm and that's it. Your recurring event is deleted from Google Calendar from your phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.